Hello students and friends. Today one interesting question. Can we really touch an object? Right now I have a bottle in my hand and I have a feeling of touch. But in reality, can we really touch this bottle? Let us try to understand this. Now when we touch to any object on that time, there is of course contact force which is acting between our hand and the surface, or in this case this bottle. So the contact force that is acting between my hand and the bottle is simply because of electromagnetic force. Now we know that some of the electrons present in my hand and electrons present in this bottle will repel each other. So what we really feel is actually the electromagnetic force which we call touch. The sensation of touch or the signals that goes to our brain tells us that we are touching. But in reality, according to quantum mechanics, there is a repulsion between my hand and the bottle, and this means actually we are not able to touch the surface. What we feel is the electromagnetic force which is acting between my hand or our hand and the surface. Because both surfaces, when are in contact, there is an electromagnetic force acting between any two surfaces which is in contact. So between two surfaces, electrons or charged particles actually come into existence and they repel each other, because we know an atom has plenty of open space. So we are actually never going to touch, or we are never able to touch any object. Actually what we feel is the electromagnetic force, but it behaves in such a manner that the signal our brain gets is we are touching something. So in a normal person's life or a non-science student's life, actually what we feel is the touch, and in quantum physics language we say it is an electromagnetic force that we feel, and our brain interprets that as a touch. Thank you.